So we're going to do the next step in putting these together. So what I have is my side and my bottom. My side is not a component yet. You can see that I can click all over it and I'm getting individual spots. What I want to do is make this a part, make it a thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click, I'm going to highlight it, it all will turn blue. And then I go Edit, Make Component, and I'm going to name it Side. Now, you see that the lines changed. It is now considered one thing. I'll show you that because when I try to paint it, the whole thing gets painted. Okay? Now, let's say that I want to edit it though. I can't just add things. Like right now, if I add this line there, yes, it looks like it's on it. But watch, when I move the component, the line stays there. It is like just setting a piece of paper on a book and then moving the book. The piece of paper is not attached to the book. So what I want to do to attach the piece of paper, I'll get rid of this line now, is I got to double click on the component, the lines change. Now I can select individual parts just like I could before. And I can even paint different things, different colors. When I want to get out of this, I double click with the arrow outside and it becomes a component again. Now what's cool about components is I only have to make the thing once and then I can get more of them. To get more of them, I go into Window, Components, and a window comes up for components. There's my side. And I can drop as many in here as I want. Okay? Now, why is that nice? Because then I don't have to make more than one thing. The other thing nice about that is that it interacts like a thing. I could connect these even if they aren't components. But then when I try to disconnect them, they stick together like glue and everything gets messed up. This, in real life, is a board, and this is a board. So that's why we make them components. I'm going to erase my dimensions here, just to make it neater. And I'm going to make this a component too. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to make it a component. Edit, Make Component, and this will be, I'll just leave it component 1. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this is a thing, and this is a thing. Now I'm ready to put them together. Okay, to put them together, I'm still going to have to make them facing the right way. So I'm going to rotate this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Rotate tool, and I'm going to get on the side that I want to rotate. See how it's red? Now I'm going to just drag it, and I'm going to turn it till it's 90 degrees. It'll just kind of pop up, and you'll see at the bottom by the measurements, it says 90. Now I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to drag, oops, I'm still selected on the other one, so I'm going to escape. Now I got to select this one, put on my rotate it 90 degrees, and there's 90. Okay, now I'm going to start putting these together. This sometimes takes a little practice. I'm going to use the Move tool, and I'm going to grab it at a corner that I want to take, and so I'm going to grab it right here. If I just grab it anywhere, it makes it really hard. And I'm going to bring it over. A lot of times if I touch the thing, it will be easier. Now I'm going to grab it again, and I'm going to try to get them connected. This takes a little practice. You just got to kind of bring it down. There we go. And now I'm going to bring that in, and it will want to snap together like they're connected. And I'm not connected yet. I need to snap it together just a little bit more. All right. Okay, go ahead. You guys can leave. I'll finish this video. It will be up for you on Wednesday. Save and log out. I'm going to take and, oops, now I got to unselect it. I got to undo that move.
Here, do you want me to get your stuff? Oh, yeah.
Unselect it. Now those two are connected.
Are you logged on your own account?
I will do this other one. just going to connect those. Just keep moving it till it's connected. It takes a little practice. But eventually you will get it. Once you get both of them connected, then you are done and you can turn it in. Alright, I'm going to stop this video.